before you decided to, apply or integrate that concept of, as an edutainer, how did you find that teaching in itself fulfilled your purpose, your purpose? How did that play into your purpose?
Well, as I said, since high school, on my summer holidays and stuff, I usually volunteer as a teacher at the vocational Bible schools or at summer school and stuff like that. So, and mommy always tell me that from I was a little girl, we used to beat the bed, I used to beat the table and everything, playing school. So, and I was always a teacher when I'm playing school. So it's just something that is a part of me. I didn't really sit and think about it before anything happened. I just found myself in the classroom. After I finished school, I was volunteering and it turned into 3 years of teaching. And then I decided that because, without a college degree or a diploma, you're not really getting, a lot of pay. But then I realized that this is something I would want to do. So I decided to get certified, get the right credentials to do it as a profession.
There's the idea, the concept of align with purpose and living on purpose. Can you talk to us about that? What are your thoughts around being aligned with your purpose?
Between your teenage years and your early youth, you experience a lot of things and you try a lot of things and different jobs, probably different career paths, until you find the one that you feel like you're most comfortable with. It's the same thing with the journey to finding your purpose. We try a lot of things and then we realize, no, this is not it. When you're aligned with your purpose, it makes you comfortable. You sleep easy, you smile in your sleep because you know that you're doing what you're supposed to do. And especially if the path that you have taken helps to change lives, say, yes, this is it. And sometimes our purpose can change, our purpose can improve. Sometimes it's something completely different from what we've been doing because different people have different tasks, as I say, and you can have 2 or 3 tasks that you need to accomplish, while I have one and I just need to focus on that one. So when you find the thing that completes you or makes you feel like, okay, I'm doing the right thing, this is what I'm meant to do, then you know that you're aligned with your purpose.
And being aligned with your purpose, how does that make you feel? And what is that doing for you and for others?
Personally, I feel great because I see outcomes in my field. An example of that, Extreme Edutainers did a school invention some time ago, and what we did was put the teachers, the students, and the parents in the same room, and we gave the students, we're talking about primary school students between 7 and 10 years old. We gave them the authority to speak their mind, talk about the things that are affecting them, because a lot of the time the teachers don't ask these questions and the parents don't ask these questions and the children have issues. And I see we're giving them that opportunity, changed their lives, it changed the parents' lives, it changed the teachers' lives. And that is something that gave me fulfillment. So knowing that I'm aligned with my purpose, that is one of the things that make me sleep comfortable at night, as I said, knowing that I'm changing lives. So it's really, really important to me what I am doing.